video we are once again going to be using Pocket Option Auto Trader on a small time frame, and I will be testing if MACD can work on a 5-second close. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want to test out this binary option robot yourself, you find a link below the video for Android and for desktop. Android will be through Google Play Store and desktop will be through Chrome Store. Also, if you are on X, you find it above the video. So now let's start up and let's see how we do in this video.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay, okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay, okay, okay. Oh shit.
There we have it, $861. Not bad with MACD. Not as good as the two other strategies we did the 2 days before, but still a 57% win rate is good in my book. So if you want to run this binary option robot yourself, you find a link below the video so you can get started today. Or if you are on X, you find it above the video. So with that, have an amazing day.